Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1980 Chevy Camaro. Of course, you know this is the second generation of the Camaro. Very lovely, definitely still popular, and I'm not just saying that because everybody watched Stranger Things. But going into the one we have here, featuring a lovely gold exterior, having the gold rallies painted the same color. Have the spoiler in the back. You do have the air, I want to say induction style hood. Going into the interior now, featuring a tan. I'd like to say they tried to color match it to a gold, but tan was the luckiest they got. As you can see, it does have the appropriate Z28 steering wheel. All of our gauges are working, including the tach, speedometer, voltage meter is charging very good. Our temperature is starting to climb now, and even our little clock underneath is still working. Featuring also a cassette Jensen 2-knob radio, is an automatic on the floor with power windows, very nice bucket seats. That cloth material is as clean as it came out of the factory. But more importantly, what really makes this Camaro pop is the T-top. Literally, I've never seen too many of these cars with the T-top. But now we can give it a little bit of a brake test right now since we are coming to a stop. Other than that, we will open it up now since this driving video has been too slow and too fast. Other than that, as I'm shifting through all the gears, it is shifting just as fine as it would. Very smooth ride. I'm going about 50 miles an hour right now. As you can see, this is the way a true classic should look. And in fact, looking at that view right now, this is the way you do want to drive a classic. But as for now, though, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see underneath.